It was good. It's more progress again for us. I think it was a really good leg. Although we still got the same result, it feels like we did better. I think the hardest moment for us was probably just seeing, we saw Alva Medica and then just got stuck in a thunderstorm and saw them sail off. And then we realised that the timing for us to go through the Malacca Straits was just going to make it really hard for us to ever get back in touch. And I think probably that was the only hard moment, but the rest of the leg we really enjoyed, even the Malacca Straits and Singapore Straits. It was, we thought that was great fun.
Chance to travel, but I don't have any plans. Wish that I could stay forever this young.